Need to generate hundreds of clean, professional mockups fast? The one-side mockup generator lets you insert your designs into PSD files automatically in just a few steps. Step 1. Select your PSD mockup file. Step 2. Choose the folder where your designs are stored. Step 3. Choose the folder where the final mockups will be saved. Set 1 as the prefix and side as the suffix. This will help name your files automatically. Step 4. Export the mockups as high-quality PNG images. Step 5. Resize all images to 1024 pixels wide for optimal performance on websites or marketplaces. Step 6. Everything is ready. Hit the Generate button and let the one-side mockup generator do all the hard work for you. Welcome to the Advanced Bulk Mockup Generator, the ultimate tool for automating mockup creation with speed, accuracy, and scale. Whether you're a digital artist, a print-on-demand seller, or a template designer, this plugin will change the way you work. Let's explore the 4 core mockup scenarios built into the plugin. Scenario 1. One-side mockup. This mode is perfect if you're working with a single PSD file that contains one smart object. You simply select the PSD, choose a folder of designs, and the plugin will generate multiple mockups, each with a different design placed automatically inside the PSD. It's ideal for single-view products like posters, t-shirts, stickers, or phone cases. Scenario 2. One-side multi-mockups. Got a collection of mockup PSDs, all using a single smart object layout? This mode is for you. Just point the plugin to a folder of PSDs and a folder of designs. It will apply every design to every mockup, all automatically. Great for showing the same design on different models, backgrounds, or product angles. Scenario 3. Double-side mockup. When your PSD contains 2 smart objects, such as front and back views of a product, use this mode. Upload your PSD, select a single folder of designs, and the plugin will place the same design on both smart objects. Perfect for 2-sided items like business cards, flyers, or 2-panel packaging. Scenario 4. Double-side multi-mockups. This is the most powerful mode. You select a folder of PSDs, each with 2 smart objects and a folder of designs. The plugin will automatically process every combination, placing each design on both sides of every mockup. No manual editing, no wasting time, just professional double-sided mockups generated in bulk. Every scenario in the Advanced Bulk Mockup Generator is built to save you time, reduce repetitive tasks, and streamline your workflow. Export in PNG, resize for web, and organize your output with prefixes and suffixes. Whether you're selling digital downloads, preparing listings for Etsy or Redbubble, or creating promotional graphics, this plugin is your new productivity secret. Get the Advanced Bulk Mockup Generator today on Etsy or Gumroad and transform the way you handle mockups forever. Links are in the description. Let's automate your success.